What's up? Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever and whenever you're watching this vlog. Welcome to day 32 of the daily-ish vlogs. I am getting ready. I am heading to the hospital to see dad. Not see dad like yesterday, but just to see if the things are going well. I have a couple of things that I have to do on my way to the hospital. Just in case you were wondering, my fever is completely fine. I just checked it in the morning. It was completely normal. I'm still taking my medicine because I have to complete the cycle for the next 5 days. But so far so good. I am back to being normal health-wise. Emotionally, we'll talk about that after dad is back and I get to have like a weak moment and a heart-to-heart with you guys. But वो कभी और करेंगे. As for now, I'm getting late, but what am I doing? Talking to the camera. Honestly, like I said in the previous vlog, like yesterday's vlog also, okay, these vlogs provide me some sort of a let out that I'm not usually able to have, you know, with anybody. Sharing it with you guys just makes me feel like somebody's listening and understanding what I'm trying to say. मुझे खुद को भी कभी-कभी लगता है कि the typical Rajat will never vlog during these days. If something wrong happens in my life, I just shut down. I just go silent. I remain quiet the entire day. I don't talk to anybody. But I think maybe because of these vlogs, I'm just, you know, trying to open up about my emotions via these vlogs. तो मेरे लिए काफ़ी अच्छी बात है. मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है कि, you know, I'm not just keeping everything inside me. I'm talking it out. That is the situation right now. Also, I'm sweating. Humidity. Some things don't change in the daily-ish vlogs, right? I'm sweating like a human, but I'm gonna quickly get ready and then I'm gonna catch you guys later. Alright, I'm all showered, all set, ready to go. Let's go. Without wasting any time and not talking to the camera. Less talking, more doing. Let's go. मैं सोच रहा था कि you know these vlogs are not just to tell you कि oh मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, मैं यहाँ जा रहा हूँ, मैंने ये खाया, but they're also to share what I'm feeling. And मैंने बहुत सोचा बैठ के because I've been doing a lot of thinking these days considering I'm very emotionally high. I'm feeling, sorry for being a little cliche, but very powerful. And let me explain you why. You know, मुझे बहुत देर तक लगता था कि मैं कभी किसी प्रॉब्लम को डील नहीं कर सकता हूँ because it was both my parents who would handle everything on my behalf and keep me under their shelter. But I think this problem where on one hand my dad is health-wise not alright, and on the other hand my mom is emotionally very unstable these days because she's concerned about dad. I didn't know that I had this strength in me to just handle these things. I honestly, मुझे खुद पर भी ये trust नहीं था कि I can run around, do all of these things. I am a big believer in God. I'm a big believer that there's some energy that helps you when you are in trouble. And I heard this story somewhere which said that, you know, there was a man who was going through a lot of problems in his life, and he was passing through a very big desert. एंड वो डेजर्ट में चलते चलते ना भगवान को प्रे करा था कि यू नो आई रियली विश कि ये टाइम जल्दी खत्म हो जाए एंड यू नो ये जो मुसीबत का वक्त है ये खत्म हो जाए. वंस ही पासेस दैट डेजर्ट ही मीट्स गॉड एंड ही इज लाइक, यू नो, आई एम सो डिसअपॉइंटेड इन यू, व्हाई डिडंट यू हेल्प मी? सो गॉड वाज लाइक, आई वाज ऑलवेज विद यू. ही वाज लाइक, नो, you were not with me because I've crossed this entire desert all alone. He said, no, if you look back you'll find my footsteps on the sand. And the person looks back and he sees, no, like, just mine, where were yours? He said, no, because I was carrying you in my arms all this while. And I feel like, I know this is a very weird situation in my life, but I feel very powerful because I know I am committed to making sure that my dad gets okay, and everything and everybody in our family and everybody is just fine. Everything is well taken care of. And I'm determined to do that, and I feel every morning when I wake up, I'm like, I feel the power. I feel like I've convinced myself enough that I'm going to handle everything to perfection. So that is what I'm feeling right now. Because मुझे लगता है कि, like I said before, कि ये vlogs are just not like, oh, I'm having coffee, look at me drinking coffee, but also to share what I'm feeling. I think if you convince your mind, I think half the problems are gone. That's my reminder to myself daily that I can deal with anything right now. I'm so in control of myself right now, like these days, that I can handle anything. Like once you convince yourself during bad times that you can handle anything, you can actually handle anything. So that is where I'm at right now. I've reached the hospital, so I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Alright, so I'm heading back home from the hospital, and I also have to record. So remember how in a couple of vlogs before I said that I get so awkward abusing in real life, or even if it is for an acting role. So आज I have to record a self tape. It's an audition जिसमें मेरे को थोड़ी सी गालियाँ देनी पड़ेंगी. So I'm a little bit nervous about it. I cannot give you the details कि वो audition किस लिए, but if this works out, I'll let you guys know, and it'll be nice if it works out. So that's what's happening. I'm heading back home. I'm gonna record my self tape. Also make myself some coffee because मुझे लगता है कि पिछले कुछ दिनों में मैंने coffee भी नहीं पी है. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, I'll see you guys once I reach back home. Hi guys, I reached back home and I had my lunch. I slept for a while. I was a little tired. I'm trying to pick up the camera every day, and I try to vlog as much as I can for you guys, because I know you guys are equally as invested in knowing about the well-being of Papa and everyone घर पे भी. तो उसके लिए thank you, and the vlogs are gonna be short for the next couple of days, and also not as fun and colorful as they usually are, but I think for now these can work. Especially give a huge shout out to my Bua, Rimpi Bua, Uncle Madhav, who specially came in the evening today from Kapurthala to make sure that we were all okay. They brought us some groceries कि उनको लगता है कि मुझे घर से बाहर जाना पड़ता है because I was also not keeping well. So thank you so much, Bua, and also everyone मेरे घर पे, my mamu, masis, nana nani, everyone, all my cousins, Noor, Sanjeev, for just checking upon us. I know it's a very weird time. हम किसी से मिल भी नहीं सकते अच्छी तरीके से. Even Bua भी आज जब आए घर के बाहर तो हम मिल नहीं पाए उनको. She just literally dropped that lifafa outside the gate, and we just picked it up. We couldn't even like hug each other. But hopefully जल्दी ये कोरोना का स्यापा खत्म हुआ, and I can give all of them and you guys the tightest, biggest hugs, because you guys have been absolute sweethearts during this time. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Please keep praying, and obviously take care of yourselves, guys. Health is very, very important. Interruptions continue to. So yeah, don't forget to be the best and the happiest version of yourself. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.